Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to reset all settings from this device without removing your personal data, photos, videos, applications, but only resetting all settings. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll down and find System Settings. Then scroll down again, choose Backup and Reset, click Reset Phone and just click Reset All Settings. Confirm your pattern lock, click Reset All Settings and wait a while. Great, as you can see, system settings have been successfully reset. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye. See you.